Hi, I'm Debbie and I'm a local from the Yarra Valley area in Melbourne, and I wanted to do this course because I bought some shielding paint from another company but nothing was explained, it wasn't explained in detail about having to shield a whole room, things like that. So I'm really glad I did the course because I've learned a lot, and I really recommend other people to do it too. You don't just want to buy something that's online, and you get a real understanding, and been a fantastic course. There's been a lot of information to absorb, but it's been really great having the hands-on experience. So so now I want to put into practice everything I've learned and make a go of things and help people live in healthier homes.